Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Love by Chaitanya Snoria, and a lot has gone down in last 24 hours. Samsung has finally announced that there will be an Unpacked event on February 2015 in Barcelona. That is just one day before the start of MWC 2018, and the poster has a 9 on it, denoting that the Galaxy S9 will be launched. So the leak that I showed in the last video turned out to be true. The poster also says the camera reimagined, telling us all that the Galaxy S9 will have a never seen before camera. We know from the previous leaks that the Galaxy S9 will sport a single camera and the S9 Plus will sport a dual camera setup. And that is not great, but what is great is that the camera will be able to capture 480 frames per second videos at 1080p, and that is some staggering performance. And with that, phones should be able to handle 960 frames per second videos at 720p, which is insanely slow motion video. Not only that, it seems like the camera on the Galaxy S9 will have a variable aperture at f1.5 and f2.4. The f2.4 is for when it is bright sunny out and f1.5 for when it is dark. f1.5 will drastically improve the low light performance of the camera, coupled with Samsung's new ISO camera, further improving the low light performance. The Galaxy S9 will be a beast when it comes to low light performance. And it does not stop over here. The camera sensor has much faster focus than before. Samsung's flagships already have a very fast focus by the legendary dual pixel technology released with the Galaxy S7. When it will be combined with the new ISO sensor's fast focus technology, the Galaxy S9 will focus faster than a blink of an eye. Now we have another leaked video showing us around the Galaxy S9. The video is in line with the leaks we have, and it seems like the Galaxy S9 dummy unit. But this could very well be a Galaxy S9 clone, as that flash seems a bit off to me. But nevertheless, it accurately shows how the Galaxy S9 will look. And now to the UI of the Galaxy S9. The Galaxy S9 will have a UX made specially for it. It will have features that have never seen before and will depend very much on artificial intelligence. And for that, it is rumored that the Galaxy S9 will have a separate AI chip for it. We do not have any leaks as to how it would look yet. With that said, let me know down in the comments what you guys think about the camera on the Galaxy S9, and will you be picking up a Galaxy S9 or an S9 Plus? I hope you like this video, and for upcoming content, please subscribe to this channel and do follow me on Instagram as well. This is Chaitanya Snoria signing off.